Hello, my name is Joey Remp, and today I am going over my programming C++ class. This is going to be assignment for 4.2 C++ pointers. Basically, I went and did the old assignment. If you remember from my last video, we did this terrorist hacking assignment, which utilized copying and referencing variables. And in today's assignment, we worked on pointing at variables and using those to be defined in each of the functions. I do think it's a lot easier as long as you know what you're doing. This asterisk means a lot as opposed to the ampersand. The asterisk will be the value of the variable as opposed to the address of the variable. So obviously the variable itself has to reside somewhere, and the ampersand plus variable name defines that address, which is why this is the syntax for the pointer. The excuse me, the asterisk will take in the value, whereas the ampersand will define the address. So let's go ahead and run it. We did the same thing in terms of string. So we did integers and string just as two different data types. So we added in a username function to the program, which is one big difference. Well, that's probably going to be the most noticeable difference, is that newly added username. So what is your name? Joey. Welcome, Joey. We have intercepted enemy intelligence that a terrorist group is looking to settle in America. They acquired their funds via cryptocurrency, and we now know and we now know they have deposited the fund in the Bank of Terror. Our mission is to transfer these funds to Joe's coffee shop, Langley's orders, not mine, and leave the coffee shop's debt with the terrorists. So it shows the current balances, and if we refer back to the program, those are the actual current balances. But it's when we point at them and bring them down to the hack function, that's when we start to see the changes. So we'll just do the easy one of, are we ready to do the hack? Yes. And initiating hack successful. And with the pointing, we had the terrorists balance point to the coffee shop balance, which essentially swapped them, and then vice versa, we had the coffee shop point to the terrorist. So it was a much easier way, rather than referencing them and switching the variable that way. It was just easier to point at it and get it over with. Doesn't really matter what our name is. This time we will not hack the terrorists. Good call on not hacking them, agent. Turns out the supposed terrorists were actually collecting funds to create world peace. Now, not only is the entire world peaceful, but the coffee shop got full funding to make the best coffee in the world, and the business will thrive. Here, what we did was we took that pointed variable and we changed its value within the function. That way, it would be able to display all the nines, while the main variable would still hold its value. Just kind of a neat little tip I saw in our lecture, and I wanted to utilize that in some way. And then I'll run this one, but it really doesn't do anything. So, or I shouldn't say anything. It doesn't do anything new. So what's your name? Who cares? Initiate the hack. We'll just put in something completely ridiculous. That was not a proper choice, and we lost our window. The terrorists got away with the cash, and the coffee shop has declared bankruptcy. We really messed up here, and we cannot afford to do that again. Hopefully we'll get them next time. So, we basically, like I said, we just used the pointers. I thought it was a more efficient way to do the previous program from our last assignment, so I wanted to do it again here and kind of utilize it better and make it more efficient. I hope this was educational for some or enlightening for others. I thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day.